Hi, my name is Jennie Kwan and I'm the Head of Creative for the Retail, Manufacturing and Engineering portfolio. I look after the design, the creative and the marketing for 6 of Hyve's market-leading events. Events are constantly evolving, so to thrive in our industry you have to be open to embracing change. For creative, this means being flexible and adapting ideas and designs to ensure that the theme can be translated and brought to life at the live event. I feel really lucky to work for a company where fresh thinking is celebrated. I often look outside of the industry for inspiration, and that can come from many sources, whether that's attending a new exhibition or seeing the latest shop windows and graphics, or even catching up on my reading. Some of my most creative ideas, though, they come from me simply walking around London, taking in the city. But one thing is for sure, in a creative role, you can never get set in your ways. You have to stay curious, keep learning, and always be open to trying something new.